So you can see now, I'm going to terminate it here just to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to terminate it on this spot. So this is it. If you are doing the cut and join, you can see that they labeled it here. They labeled the things that is going to guide you here. You can see 24 volts, DI and DO. So let me just call this one first. You can see how I cut it. There is space for here. There is space here for me to solder, and then there is another space here for me to solder. These are going to solder it, and anything I'm going to do, you can see this 24 and 24. Two of them now are going opposite direction. If they're like this, they're going opposite directions. But if you are facing them straight like this, they're going the same direction. But if you are carrying it back, they're going opposite direction. So this is just what you need to guide yourself. And now I'm going to solder it. Maybe I move. Okay, this other side now that I put LED before, so I'm going to connect it accordingly to this one. I'm going to connect it accordingly to this one. So you can see the wires. I'm going to cut it now. And if you are using wire, if you can get this silver copper, it's best for this soldering because it catches to now very well it catches lead very well than the normal copper. So you can see the three of them. I used black as GND, then I used blue as the DO or DI at the middle. Then I used the red as the positive. So now I'm going to connect it to this one accordingly, and you can see the direction of this. You can see the direction of the light. You can see the direction of this one is facing. I don't want this thing to touch this one now. You can see the direction of this one is facing this way. Then this one is also facing. This one is also facing this way. So if you connect it like this, we are going to guess what we want. So let me connect it now. So I've joined it. You can see this is just the connection. I've done it now. So I'm going to power it now to show you guys what I'm trying to see. Let me power it. So you can see this place. You can see that is going, this place now, that this place that I cut is going directly as we want it. If I change the mode from the switch now, you can see it's coming as you want it to be. I joined it here, the same thing, and I joined it here, the same thing, accordingly. So there is nothing there. It's just once you have gotten the polarity right and you are very cautious of your joining, you are going to look at it very well. You are not going to have any issue there. You can see now that I joined this side, I joined this side together. Two of them are going as we want it. And now I'm going to show you, if you do it wrong, what is going to happen if you do it wrong. And that's what I'm going to show you now. So now you see, this is the one, this middle one, this green wire, I mean this blue wire that I joined here. You can see that there are 3 terminals. This is the one that is controlling that sensor. Without this, it's just an ordinary steady light. So this one is just plus and minus, the normal plus and minus, you guys know, live and neutral. Then this one now is for the running, this middle one, this blue one, and I'm going to show you with the proof now. See, I disconnected it from this one. You can see that this side of the light, this bundle is not working with this remote. It's not even running. It's just this side that is connected to the sensor that is working. So you can see, if I decide now to take it from this side, because there's another terminal here that I can connect the sensor to, and connect this one, but I'm not going to take it from there. If I decide to take it from this side, it is going to the same result that this place is giving me, that this place is running and this place is not running. That is the same thing that's going to give me, because this sensor now, it is connected to this side of the light. It's coming from this side. It's coming from this side. The direction is coming from this side. So you see that this direction is also working. So once I've already terminated, see that this direction is also working. Once I've terminated it from this side, now the thing I already have issue of this side running. This place is no longer running. So if you have any problem like this is what is causing it. It is this one that is responsible for the running and any sensor program that I want to do there. This is the wire that is responsible for that. So I want to show you guys another thing now. This place now that I showed you guys a video of joining it with this wire. This wire, I can make it any length that you want. It's going to give you the same thing. You can make it to like 10 meters of wires or 10 any length. It's going to give you the same thing. So it's from this wire now that you can extend it to anywhere that you want the other one to start from. So what I'm showing here now is that if you have profile now and it is not complete, then you want to join it. Instead of join it like this, you know that if you join like this, you are going to have space. You can use the LED to join everything together. You can use the LED to join the terminals together without using wire. That is all the same thing what they did. So I'm removing this one. So now you can see I've joined it and I'm going to test it now to just show you guys that all these things are very, very easy if it is done by a person that knows what he's doing. And you have to learn this very well before going into it. You can see where they join. See where I join. my own might not be that professional as the company on sha. They are so now different. So see, it's going the same thing. This one is just that maybe you are running this side, this rail, just a straight rail, then the lead finish, then you now need to join another one. That is when you are going to make use of this kind of joining. But this one, they are taking it from another side, you are extending it to another place. That means you are adding wire. You are extending it to another place. This one is for mostly for design. But if you are doing just a straight work, you don't need this like that. You don't even need it. So this one now, that will be all for now. And if you guys have any other question about this profile, then you can tell me so I can emphasize on that one also. But this is all for this running, because people have been asking me run. See, I have showed this one in the study. It's just the same process. And this tray comes in different sizes. And if you want us to do something like this in your space, you can also DM. I don't always teach you. Nobody teach I do. I dey work to normal. So if you have this kind of job, you can also send us a text, so we can tell up to any location that you are in Nigeria. But we are based in Lagos. If you mind, we are based in Lagos. But distance is not a problem. So it's not say that because of distance, as far as you can pay for the service that we are going to render, this is not a problem for us. So we are going to give you a premium and professional job. All these things I've explained now is just to help some of my colleagues out there to know this profile very well. And moreover, I paid for learning this. And this material I'm using now, it was a fan that sponsored it. It was not me that bought it. Someone sponsored it. Then I paid for learning this profile, but it was not this deep. Learning it by myself is not this deep. Learning by myself, because me, I already have knowledge of it before going into it. I already have knowledge of this profile before learning it, the practical aspect. So this will be all for now. Any other questions that you guys want to ask me, or you guys want me to about this profile, you guys want me to talk about, just send me DM. I showed you guys, if I just comment it, sorry, I showed you guys the problem if one side is running and one side is steady. I showed you guys the problem on how to join it. I showed you what you are going to look specifically if you are joining it. So all this is just coming for free, and I'm posting it on my YouTube. So please just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you will have more from me. I'm going to enjoy more tutorials and more classes from this page. And also, if you have a job you want us to handle, we also handle any electrical shop job. It's not just profile. You know, I think because we're talking about profile, I'm not just doing just other profile, any electrical job at all. So thank you.